Welcome, it's Denome, and welcome to this altcoin highlight. Today we will talk about Tron Network or TRX. And obviously I'm talking about this because it's bullish, but also because this means it's bullish for crypto and they have done something completely unprecedented, which no other crypto project on the planet has ever done before. So what they have done is they have went ahead into the New York Stock Exchange and bought a publicly listed and publicly traded company from the New York Stock Exchange, and now they have converted that company into Tron Inc., which means that institutional money can now flow into the Tron token price legally and effortlessly. Index funds can now buy Tron token through a proxy on the New York Stock Exchange. This is unprecedented. It has never happened before. And I don't think many people really understand what it means for crypto. So in this video, I will explain everything that's going on here and why it's bullish. Now, about a year ago, I made a video on Tron Network already, and I said all the reasons why I was bullish on Tron Network. And since then, the price was 12 cents, now it's 27 cents. So the price has increased 150% already, and I think it will continue to grow. Now, just to recap, I suggest you guys watch this video as well, because it lays out all of the reasons why Tron is bullish. But just to recap, it is basically the home of stablecoins. Right now, Tron Network is the largest blockchain that hosts USDT stablecoin, and it's a deflationary project, and they're also in bed with the Trump family. But let's actually unpack what this new company is and what's going on here. So Justin Sun's father will be in control of this new company after a $100 million token deal, or let's call it a liquidity injection into this company. So previously, the company that they bought was called SRM Entertainment, and that will soon be renamed into Tron Inc. And after that, the new money can basically flow into the Tron token as well. So Tron DAO has no direct investment or governance role in the SRM deal. Now, let me show you something crazy. When we look at the SRM Entertainment price, you can see in April of this year, the price until now has gone up over 2000% already. And basically after the announcement, the price already basically went up 5x from there. So why did this happen, and what's the story behind here? I will get to that soon, but I will explain to you what this SRM Entertainment deal actually consists of. So Dave here on X made a beautiful thread here, which I'm gonna read now, so you guys can understand what's going on with the stock here. So Justin Sun, he actually injected $100 million worth of TRX into this tiny Nasdaq stock to make Tron Inc. And that is interesting because the market cap of that stock previously was only $25 million, which is minuscule. So he created a rocket ship by injecting 4x the premium over its entire value into that stock. And you can bet your ass that insiders were buying the SRM stock here. The Trump family, all of these people most likely got a piece of this pie. And this is only getting started here. So let's get back to the post here. So no liquidity, no competition, no coverage. So that's basically the investment there. SRM holds the TRX in treasury. Rebrand is underway. New shares, warrants, and Justin Sun is a strategic advisor. This company, you're not buying a toy company anymore or a meme stock. You're buying a Tron proxy. So what Justin Sun really bought was a Nasdaq ticker. In a climate where crypto cannot go public, Justin Sun did it anyway. So this is the first TRX adjacent US public equity. It is stealth, it is legal, it is genius. it is corruption, maybe it's bribery, it's all of these things, but this is the climate we currently live in. And basically, if you look at the price here, if 1% of the market cap of TRX goes into this stock here, that means that the stock will go to $10 per share or more. So easily, Dave thinks that it can go to $20 per share, and that would take the fully diluted valuation of the stock to $4 billion, which is still less than 50% of TRX's market cap. Now, this will be justified as long as TRX is being held in the treasury, if the price of TRX continues to grow, and if more TRX are accumulated into the treasury. And that seems to be the plan here. Because when we hop over to Justin Sun's X here, or X profile, you can see multiple times that he is basically calling this the Tron strategy, saying that this is Tron's micro strategy. And here you can even see when I scroll a little bit further down here, Tron strategy, but here you can see Tron MSTR. So that's the plan here. They continue to accumulate more TRX in the treasury, and it's a publicly traded company on the New York Stock Exchange. I think you can pretty much understand the ramifications. Now, Dave here believes that this is the first crypto project to do it, but if this model works, then every chain will copy it. They will go to the New York Stock Exchange, pick the low caps there, and turn it into another company, insider trade it obviously, and then the founders can make another exit liquidity for themselves. So that's the idea there, obviously. So basically that's what happened there. But what led to all of this is what Justin Sun was doing with the Trump family. So Justin Sun, previously it became the largest USDT blockchain on the planet, but just a week ago they also minted USD1. And USD1 is the DeFi project, or the stablecoin project of the Trump family. And that's why Eric Trump is thanking Tron here, and also World Liberty Financial, which is the stablecoin platform for the USD1 stablecoin. So Eric Trump is thanking here, but they previously also shared the stage on Token 2049 in Dubai with Eric Trump, Justin Sun, and then the other founder from World Liberty Fi, Zach Witkoff. So they are very close together. And when you look at the holdings of Justin Sun, you can see that Justin Sun is actually the top #1 holder of the Trump meme token. So that's basically how he got close to the Trump family. So he holds way more, what is this, 130 million tokens more of the Trump token than the second highest holder. So he's the biggest fan of Trump meme coin. And also he was the investor in the World Liberty Financial project. And in return, when we take a look at the holdings of World Liberty Fi, you can see Tron here. They are holding $11 million worth of Tron tokens as well in this project. So just the Tron blockchain is going all in on United States markets, hoping that institutions will eventually buy it. And why wouldn't they? Because the Trump family is involved here and all of the other stuff. So that's basically what's going on there. But also, Eric Trump went ahead a little bit further a couple of days ago, and he says that I'm the biggest fan of Tron, and I love Justin Sun. He's a great friend and an icon in the crypto space. That said, the below is accurate. He doesn't have public involvement in the SRM company or the Tron Inc. Now, public involvement, that is different from having private ownership. It's important to understand when you read what they actually write here. So it doesn't really mean anything when he says no public involvement. So anyway, that's the situation there. Now, previously, if you take a look at what happened before all of these deals, Justin Sun was actually being investigated by the SEC, and they bought $75 million worth of WLFI, and then the court case got basically paused against the Justin Sun, and since then all of these deals have escalated. So the plan for Justin Sun is to make this stock very viable, to get more investors basically pouring money into this stock, and to also use that stock to buy more TRX tokens. Now, if you want to buy TRX on its own, you can do that right now. Maybe buying this company from the New York Stock Exchange is a little bit better. And also, I think even better than at least buying the token itself is to go ahead and go to a website called justlenddao.org and stake the TRX, because staked TRX gives you a 8.34% annual yield if you just hold this token. Now you can also do a little bit of yield farming on this website here. If you stake STRX, then you use it for collateral, and then you borrow TRX and restake it as STRX. You can get your APY to like 10 or 11% on an annual basis per current rates. But that's a little bit advanced. But STRX is better than TRX on its own, because they are basically as liquid. But when you hold STRX, then you get the yield on top of the token appreciation. So when we compare the price of STRX compared to the price of Tron token, you can see it's gradually going to the upside here. So basically within the last 2 years, the price of STRX has gone up 20% compared to the price of just holding a TRX alone. So STRX is just far superior than the Tron token alone. But if you want the Tron token alone, or if you want to even short the TRX price, you can do so on the femex.com exchange. And if you use my affiliate link, or you use this invitation code when you sign up, then you are eligible for massive welcome rewards, and you are eligible for very low trading fees. And if you use my affiliate link, then you don't have to do any KYC to deposit money, to withdraw capital, and to trade on this platform, at least for now. So that's my update on TRX. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments if you are bullish on TRX, or if you actually think that this whole Ponzi scheme here is about to fall down, like I saw some people basically explain it in some of these comments under the post that I posted here. I will put some links for you guys to investigate in the description. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video, and bye bye.